1. Head over to a site called respondent.io. This is where you're going to be earning that $125. Step-by-step guide. First things first, what is respondent.io? It's a platform where companies pay you to participate in research studies. These can be anything from one-on-one interviews to focus groups or even online tasks. And guess what? You don't need any special skills to get started, just your opinions and experiences. Now here's how you can get set up quickly. Step 2. Create an account. Go to the homepage and click on the Sign Up button. You can sign up using your email or your LinkedIn profile. Personally, I recommend using LinkedIn because it increases your credibility and allows you to get access to higher-paying projects faster. Once you've signed up, you'll need to fill out your profile. This includes your demographics, your job title, your areas of expertise, and some basic background info. Make sure you're honest and detailed here because this helps match you with the most relevant and highest-paying studies. Step 3. Start browsing the projects. After your profile is complete, you can start looking at the available projects. Each one will list the type of study, the amount you'll get paid, and the estimated time it'll take. You'll see payments ranging anywhere from $50 to $250 depending on the study. Here's the important part. Filter the projects by remote to find studies you can complete from home. Most of these only take 30 to 60 minutes to complete, and that's where you'll find the sweet spot for making $125 quickly. Step 4. Apply to studies. Now, once you find a study you like, you'll need to answer a few screening questions. These are simple and are just to make sure you fit the target group for that particular project. Make sure to take your time here and answer accurately, because this can make or break your chances of getting selected. Once you're approved, you'll get an invitation to schedule a time for the interview or task. Some of them will even be asynchronous, meaning you can do them whenever you want, which is super convenient. Adding value now. Here's a pro tip. Keep an eye out for high-paying studies that target professionals in specific fields, like software development, marketing, or healthcare. Even if you're not in those fields, sometimes you can still qualify based on your experiences or consumer behavior, so always check the requirements carefully. Plus, you can see my own $125 earnings for a project where I helped a researcher with creative tasks. It's a clear example of what's possible here. Another thing to remember is that Respondent takes a small fee out of your earnings. It's usually around 5%, so if you make $125, you'll actually get something like $118.75 after the fee. Not a huge deal, but something to be aware of. To maximize your earnings, try to apply to multiple studies at once. You won't get selected for every single one, but if you're consistent, you'll land enough to make $125 or even more in a day. Conclusion. And there you have it. Making $125 in an hour is totally possible with Respondent.io. Just follow the steps, stay consistent, and you'll see the money roll in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online.